On June 6, 1944, Allied armies crossed the channel onto open beaches. Beaches land infantry. Ports land an army. Tanks, fuel, food, spare parts by the ton. Cherbourg and other deep harbors were still in enemy hands, so planners brought the harbor with them. Then, Operation Overlord's supply chain could not wait months to capture a city port intact. Now, modern amphibious logistics still depend on beaches, roll-on ships, and temporary facilities. The Mulberry idea echoes whenever geography refuses to cooperate. Project Mulberry, prefabricated artificial harbors assembled off British coasts, towed in sections across the channel, sunk and linked into sheltered roadways where ships could unload as if a port had always been there. Massive concrete caissons called phoenixes, hollow boxes taller than buildings, were floated out and sunk to form breakwater walls. Calm water behind them, so smaller craft could work without Atlantic waves smashing the supply line. Floating bridges, codenamed whale sections, linked ship to shore, steel spans riding on pontoons. Trucks rolled from LSTs and freighters onto stable roadways instead of drowning in surf. Logistics is choreography with bolted steel. Supporting pieces included floating breakwater buffers and pier heads codenamed Spud, each part a specialized Lego block in a kit nobody had ever snapped together under enemy fire nearby. Mulberry A at Omaha Beach was wrecked by a severe June storm days after landing. Caissons broken, roadways ruined. Mulberry B at Gold Beach survived better and carried the load for months, unloading millions of tons. Cherbourg fell later, but damaged and fought over. Armies eat supply daily. Waiting for a perfect port would starve momentum. Mulberry bought time, a temporary front door until real ports opened. Here is the twist. One of history's most famous invasions depended less on hero footage than on civil engineering homework. Concrete boxes towed like barges, so clerks with clipboards could keep tank divisions fueled. Wars since have used floating causeways, modular piers, and roll-on roll-off ships for the same reason. Coastlines rarely offer a ready-made warehouse. Mulberry proved you can invoice the ocean for rent. Recap: D-Day needed port capacity without owning a port. Mulberry prefabricated harbors in Britain. Phoenix caissons calmed seas. Whale bridges moved trucks. Storm wrecked A. B supplied the beachhead. Engineering bought the calendar. Next, submarines dive deeper than cranes can reach. Yet the crew does not get crushed like a soda can. Pressure has rules.